rest of my family is not here. So we're from Sanctified Life Ministries. In 2017, we left the business world behind for a life of freely giving. As volunteers, medical missionaries, we moved to Politsi. It's about 25 kilometers from Zanin, where we dedicate our lives in helping people with overall health conditions. We also do cooking classes and health seminars. Our ministry is based on Matthew 10, verse 8, freely you have received and freely you will give. Okay, this is a very important thing that you should remember. No disease can be cured by a quick fix. You will need to detox your body, change to a healthier lifestyle. God gave the herbal and natural remedies to help restore our health. God is a great physician, nobody else. In Exodus 15, verse 26, the Lord says, I am the Lord that healeth thee. Now, a question that's on everybody's mind is, why should I detox? This is the amazing benefits from a detox. You will have more energy, you will naturally lose weight, you have better skin, improved digestion, better sleep, improved moods, less aches and pains, improved joint and muscle flexibility. You have a cleaner and a better functioning organs. You will be able to handle stress better, and you will also feel healthier. The foods that we should avoid during a detox and also before you detox and after would be avoid drinking coffee, tea, and alcohol, avoid processed foods, avoid bread, pastries, pizzas, pastas, chocolates, sweets, avoid dairy, meat, avoid sugar, gluten, and any preservative or colorants. There are a few different types of detox methods. We will go through each of them. I'll just list them for you. Lemon and lukewarm water every morning, dry skin brushing, Epsom salt baths, vitamin D, exercise, charcoal, bentonite clay, water, massage, ozone treatment, and get grounded. The lemon water. Every morning when you wake up, you should take a glass with lukewarm, not hot, because that would kill the vitamin C. So you take lukewarm water with 1 fresh lemon juice squeezed into it. This will kickstart your liver and your digestive system. It will detoxify you and alkalize your body. Your body will love you for this. Dry skin brushing. Now this would be before you take a bath or a shower, you would take something like this, and you would just instruct towards your heart. Always move towards your heart. So you will move it like this, and from your legs up. Just soft strokes. That will give you your lymphatic system a boost. The lymphatic system is responsible for removing the toxins, and if it's overload, it becomes very sluggish. Epsom salt baths. Everybody know Epsom salt? You can do this twice a week. Epsom salts are high in magnesium. Magnesium is a great regulating heartbeat. It's great for hormones, relaxing your muscles, improving sleep, drawing toxins out of the body, relieving arthritis and joint pain, and digestive issues. You take a very warm bath and add 2 cups of Epsom salt, and optional is if you can take a little bit of lavender, a few drops, and then soak for 20 minutes. This is very important. Vitamin D. 20 minutes of regular sunlight exposure on the bare skin without sunscreen is very toxic, is one of the easiest ways to boost your immune system and your state of being. Exercise. Now this is the one we usually don't have time for, but it's very important. The best exercise for your lymphatic system is trampoline or skipping rope, hiking, cycling, jogging, weightlifting. Then activated charcoal. This is a black powder that you can buy at any health shop. Charcoal works by attaching to the toxins in the stomach and absorbing them before they get into your bloodstream. It traps the toxins and chemicals in the body, allowing them to be flushed out so the body doesn't absorb them. It reduces the absorption of poison of up to 60%. If you have an overdose of tablets, usually at the hospitals, they give you charcoal to drink instead of pumping your stomach. Bentonite clay is composed of aged volcanic ash. It contains magnesium and approximately 67 trace minerals. The particles of bentonite clay contain a negative charge that attracts all types of toxins and pathogens, which include bacteria, toxins, metals, and pesticides, all of which have a positive charge. This ensures that when taken orally, the clay can bind to the toxins, which are then excreted out through the body safely. You take half a teaspoon in a glass of water, and then you can mix this with charcoal if you want to, and then you drink it. Water. You should have at least 2 liters of water per day. Water, it protects from constipation. It protects against some types of cancer. It can improve your mood. It keeps your kidneys working, and it helps prevent headaches. It energizes us. It helps us with concentration and protects our joints and cartilage. If you do have a headache, just try it before you take a tablet. Just drink some water and see what the headache's doing, because the water is helping you to flush out all the toxins. Then this massage. The massage is great for moving toxins out of the body. It removes stress and relaxes you. Massage therapy also helps jumpstart the lymphatic system, which plays a crucial role in pushing out toxins and boosting your immune system. You have more energy, you will have a stronger immune system, improved skin, and it feels good. I know a lot of you can testify about that. Ozone treatment, this can be done at a lifestyle center or a spa or somebody that's got an ozone machine. It purifies the blood and the lymph, reducing pain, improving circulation by cleaning the arteries and the veins. It stimulates the immune system to speed up healing. It detoxifies the body, and it's got anti-inflammatory properties. Get grounded. This is a very easy one. This is also, we prescribe this for people with depression as well. You take off your shoes and you walk on the grass, 10 minutes, grass or the beach or wherever. Wearing shoes, living in a working stress electromagnetic frequency from Wi-Fi, electronic devices, it all connects us from being grounded. Disconnects us from being grounded. Getting grounded is a process of connecting your body to the Earth's subtle electrical field. It's as simple as placing your feet directly on the earth, on the grass or a beach for 10 minutes a day to discharge. Then we have a detox program. We will not discuss this. This is on your desks. This will suit anybody. If you've got only a smoothie maker or a juice maker, this will suit everybody, 3 days, 7 days, and a 10-day. We will now go over to the natural remedies, the nice part. Second nice part. Just remember again that no disease can be cured by a quick fix, and you will need to detoxify your body and change to a healthier lifestyle. Okay, natural remedies for arthritis. Turmeric. Curcumin is the active compound in this spice. Is what makes it so powerful for healing. Ginger. The same compounds that give ginger the strong flavor also have anti-inflammatory properties. Pineapples. Pineapples contain anti-inflammatory bromelain. Garlic helps fight the pain, inflammation, cartilage, and the damage of arthritis. Arnica, we all know arnica, It's considered a natural pain reliever to alleviate soreness of muscles and stiffness. Stinging nettle. It contains nutrients like boron, calcium, silicon, and magnesium that eases pain while building strong bones. Food that you should always avoid when you're having arthritis. Processed foods, sugar, meat, fried foods, refined grains, and milk products. A few natural ways that you can relieve arthritis quickly is you can drink half a teaspoon, you're going to make this in a tea. So in warm water, not hot water, warm water, you take half a teaspoon turmeric and half a teaspoon ginger. You mix it, and then you can drink it like that. Another option is if it's on your finger or wherever on your body, you can mix coconut oil and a teaspoon turmeric and put it on a cotton wool, and then you place it on that part. It actually draws out the inflammation. We're going to have, after the break, we're going to have a sample of the warm and cold treatment, but this is what you should do. You have ice cold water in one container and very warm water in another. With half a cup of Epsom salt in the warm water, you put the affected area in the warm water for 3 minutes. You take it out and you put it in the cold water for 30 seconds, no longer. You take it out and then you repeat this 3 times. That brings down the inflammation. Natural remedies for depression. This is something nobody wants to really talk about, but there is help except for that you don't have to use any medicine. Avocados, delicious medicine. It contains tryptophan, folate, and omega-3, an essential fatty acid that combats inflammation in the brain. Bananas, it contains serotonin. It balances mood and contributes to well-being and happiness. Serotonin is a chemical in the brain that that's produced in the brain, and that's what makes us feel happy. Almonds also contains high level of magnesium. It helps produce more serotonin. Spinach, it contains tryptophan, which helps increase our levels of serotonin. Blueberries, another very nice one. It contains folate, which contributes to production of serotonin, and it's rich in antioxidants. Asparagus contains low levels of vitamin B12. It contains folate, which contributes to the production of serotonin. Natural remedies, herb remedies for depression. Chamomile tea, it improves sleep quality. Contains crocin, naturally occurring flavonoid known to ease anxiety. Lemon balm, this is one of my favorite ones, it's a lemon balm. It's a calming herb, reduces stress and anxiety, promotes sleep, and helps you improve your appetite. Rosemary provides relief from anxiety, depression, and it also has a calming effect. St. John's wort is effective as an antidepressant. Lavender heightens your mood, lessens anxiety, and contributes to the overall contentment with life. We've got hawthorn. It helps to counter the negative effects of stress by lowering blood levels of the stress hormone cortisol. Foods to avoid when you have depression. This is very important because these are the foods you actually go to when you have depression. Avoid processed foods, sugar, meat, fried foods, refined grains, and milk products. Natural remedies for the liver. Turmeric. We say that the curcumin is the active compound in the spice, and this is what makes it such a powerful healing herb. Milk thistle contains silymarin, which strengthens and protects the liver. Dandelion, this is your weeds growing in the backyard. It speeds up liver function. Cilantro, also known as Um, it's also known as danya by Indian people. They call it danya. It's a toxic metal cleanser. It protects your liver from damage. We've got parsley, any of the two types, the flat leaf or the curly parsley. It's a toxin metal cleanser. It protects your liver from damage. And then you can make a juice. This recipe is on your desk. Make a juice with beetroot, spinach, cucumber, carrots, apples, and cilantro. That's like we said with that one. Another one, foods to avoid with liver problems. Can you see the pattern? Which food damages our health and which we should avoid almost permanently? If you don't want to be sick, avoid these foods. Processed foods, sugar, meat, fried foods, refined grains, and milk products. This is one that urinary tract infection, UTI. A lot of people is getting this. And it can be cured with a healthy diet. I had this when I was at school still. For about 8 years, I had this permanently. And after I've changed my diet, I never had this ever again. You drink a lot of water. Water flushes out bacteria from your system. Cranberry, the active ingredient in cranberries that can prevent adherence of bacteria to the bladder wall. Uva urshi, also called bearberry, helps flush out your kidneys, reduce bacteria in the urine. It reduces inflammation in the urinary tract. Garlic. Allicin, one of the active principles of fresh garlic, has a variety of antimicrobial activities. Clove oil, it has antimicrobial, antifungal, and antiviral activities. This is one you should always have in your home. Buchu is a natural diuretic. It kills bacteria, and it's a potent anti-inflammatory. Again, foods to avoid. Processed foods, sugar, meat, fried foods, refined grains, and milk products. Natural remedies for cold and flu. After the break, we will demonstrate some of this. Garlic, it contains allicin, which have antimicrobial properties. Ginger, it soothes a cough and sore throat. It helps sweat out toxins. Turmeric, it boosts the immune system. It's a broad-spectrum antimicrobial agent. Honey, it has a variety of antibacterial and antimicrobial properties. Echinacea, its active ingredient include flavonoids. Flavonoids boost the immune system and reduce inflammation. Vitamin C boosts the immune system, relieves upper respiratory tract infection. Natural remedies for constipation. Another one we don't want to talk about. Prunes, it's rich in insoluble fiber, as well as natural laxative sorbitol. Ginger, you drink this as a tea, and it calms the irritation in the digestive system and improves digestion. Epsom salt, this is only occasional, not permanent. Orally, as a laxative to relieve occasional constipation. You can also soak in Epsom water in a bath. This also can relieve constipation through the skin. Flaxseed, it's a good source of dietary fiber and increased bowel movement. Psyllium husk is a bulk-forming laxative. It promotes regularity without increasing flatulence. Water, constipation is related to dehydration in the colon. It will keep your stool soft and easy to pass. Then diarrhea. Bananas, it's rich in potassium, vitamin C, B6, folate, and it's very easy to digest. Ginger, it prevents nausea, vomiting, and abdominal spasms, believed to cure diarrhea. Charcoal, same as we've spoken about, the black powder. Activated charcoal is used to treat stomach pains from gas and diarrhea. Fenugreek, its seeds contains 50% mucilage, a type of fiber which absorbs water in the intestines and then it swells. Chamomile tea protects against diarrhea, the stomach ulcers, nausea, and gas due to anti-inflammatory effects. And then cinnamon. Cinnamon can stop diarrhea, flatulence, and also bloating. Then for the digestive system, again, prunes, which relieves constipation. Ginger has an antihistamine property that prevents nausea. Flaxseed improves the stool structure, making your bowel movement smoother. Rosemary helps speed digestion up. Anise speeds up bowel movement, making them more frequent. Papaya seeds helps speed up digestion. Then we go to heartburn, natural remedies. Again, something everybody gets some other time. You can eat, when you feel you've got heartburn, you can eat bananas. It prevents acid forming. Pineapple juice, it prevents acid reflux. Raw almonds, it neutralizes the stomach acid. Garlic, it's beneficial in the digestion. Ginger, it minimizes stomach inflammation. Mint leaves, you take this as a tea or you can eat it. It's a natural coolant. Then you will see with blood pressure and high blood pressure and low blood pressure, you use almost the same herbs because most of these herbs, it neutralizes your blood pressure, your blood pressure. Cinnamon lowers the blood sugar levels and has a powerful anti-diabetic effect. Ginger improves blood circulation and relaxes the muscles that surround blood vessels. Hawthorn opens the coronary arteries and improves blood circulation. Garlic lowers your blood pressure without the harmful side effects which normal medicine would have done. Then the hibiscus flower, if you dry this, it's a natural way to lower blood pressure. Coriander, that's the other name for cilantro, coriander, and dhania. Coriander reduces blood pressure in individuals suffering from hypertension. Low blood pressure. Then again, we use cinnamon. It improves peripheral circulation and it stabilizes blood pressure. Ginger improves blood circulation and relaxes the muscles that surround blood vessels. Hawthorn opens the coronary arteries and improves blood circulation. Ginkgo biloba improves blood circulation and in turn stabilizes blood pressure. Turmeric improves overall body and improves your overall body and normalizes blood pressure. Cardamom normalizes blood pressure and which caused by low vital energies. For the ladies, natural remedies for hormone imbalance. You can use also the same with hormone imbalance and menopause. You get almost the exact same herbs that you can use. Ginseng promotes hormonal balance and increases the libido. Evening primrose oil is rich in gamma-linolenic acid, an essential fatty acid, and it balances your hormones. Maca root, it's an endocrine adaptogen that boosts the normal hormone production. Passion flower, from the fruit granadella, you can use passion flower. It's high in crocin, a natural occurring flavonoid that lowers estradiol. Ginger, a plant-based form of estrogen, which helps improve hormone imbalance. Turmeric has proven estrogenic activities, and it mimics the estrogen hormone. Menopause, also again ginseng. We've got evening primrose oil, the turmeric. A different one for this is stinging nettle. It prevents night sweats, builds blood, and eases anxiety, increases your energy. Ginger, it treats hot flushes, a plant-based form of estrogen which helps improve the hormone imbalance. Licorice root, this is not the licorice you buy at the store, this is the root, contains compounds that activate estrogen receptors to boost the levels of the hormone in your body. Natural remedies for insomnia. Chamomile has a calming effect on your brain and relaxes the whole body, and it's also acting as a mild sedative. Nutmeg has a calming effect on the body and promotes sleep. Lavender, it relaxes your muscle, reduces stress, and has a calming and soothing properties. Lemon balm, this is my favorite one again. It's a calming herb and reduces stress and anxiety. Valerian, it's a mild sedative and it's used for anxiety and sleep disorder. Hops, the same herb you would get in beer, but don't drink the beer. It helps alleviate restlessness and anxiety, and it's also a natural sedative. Intestinal worms. There's quite a few herbs, but I've chosen the 6 best ones for this. You can use olive leaf. It has anti-parasite properties and promotes a healthy intestinal environment. Cilantro, it's antimicrobial, antifungal, and it kills intestinal parasites. Garlic, the active component in garlics kills parasites, and that's called allicin. You can make carrot juice. It cleanses the intestines and flush out intestinal worms. Papaya seeds, it kills parasites, and then turmeric flushes out intestinal worms and boosts your gut. Natural remedies for nausea. Lemon, you can squeeze fresh lemon juice into water and then you can drink it. You can make a ginger tea. You can use fennel also as a tea. You can use cinnamon, peppermint, and the one that works the best is even for my kids, but a lot of people don't want to use apple cider vinegar. You don't have to. There is 5 other herbs you can use as well. But if you take 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, it must be organic with the mother inside it. 50 milliliters into 50 milliliters water, and then you just quickly drink it. Within 3-4 minutes, your nausea is gone. Natural painkillers, you do not have to take Disprins or Comprils or Panados. Clove essential oil is a powerful anesthetic. Cayenne pepper provides topical relief for many types of pain, especially arthritic and joint pain. Valerian root is effective against menstrual cramps and sore muscles. Turmeric can be as effective as Brufen for joint and pain relief. Cat's claw, one of the best herbs to relieve the joint pain caused by arthritis. And ginger helps with muscle and joint pain. Then we'll go to the benefits of herbs. Now, we haven't gone into all the difficult herbs. This is mostly herbs you will get in your garden, you'll get in the shop, or in your backyard. I've got most of them here, so we're going to send it around, and you can open it, smell it, feel it. Shalamai will give it to you. Okay, the first one we're going to have is aloe vera. Okay, this can be used internal or external. It relieves acid reflux, boosts the immune system, relieves pain caused by arthritis. You can use it for treating skin ailments. It gives relief from side effects of radiotherapy. It helps prevent cancer, it heals wounds, and it soothes sunburn. Anise, you can drink this in a tea. It's antiseptic. It relieves headaches and migraines, relieves sore throats, helps ease cramping, discomfort, relieves bloating and gas. It helps with nausea, it aids in digestion, and it helps you sleep. Then with anise essential oil, all the essential oils you can buy at Dischem or any pharmacy. It aids in faster wound healing, relieves cramps, cough, and diarrhea, eliminates intestinal worms. It clears congestion and respiratory tract. It provides relief from anxiety and depression, relieves joint pain, and it's also used as an insect repellent. If you are pregnant, you should avoid using anise essential oils. Then we've got basil, or like the Americans would say basil. We'll keep with basil. That you can use in food or tea. It's antibacterial properties. It sharpens your memory. It's combating colds and flus and herpes. Removes phlegm from bronchial tubes. Relieves mucus in asthma. Eliminates infection and also has an anti-stress agent. Basil essential oils. It aids in digestion, provides relief from pain, relieves stress and depression, improves blood circulation, quickly relieves bloodshot eyes if you put a drop in each eye, enhances the dull-looking skin and hair, and gives relief from colds and fever. And again, nursing and pregnant women should avoid this. Cayenne pepper, this is not your normal chilies, it must be cayenne pepper. It's antifungal properties, it helps with our digestion, it contains vitamin E, relieves migraine pain, prevents allergies, prevents blood clots, supports weight loss, it fights cold and flu, it relieves joint and nerve pain, provides detox support, it boosts your immune system, and it's also a source of vitamin A. Cayenne pepper may cause a burning sensation in your throat, your stomach, or your rectum. Chamomile. Now my chamomile flowers is not there yet, but this is how the leaves looked. It's Roman chamomile. You can use this to treat insomnia, treat stomach cramps, treats anxiety, boosts immune system, helps control blood sugar levels, reduces the risk of thyroid and breast cancer, and it has cardiovascular benefits. Then we've got chives. Chives help to detoxify the body. You can use this in salad. So you don't have to take a pill for this. You just take it in your salad. It boosts your immune system. It eases digestion and discomfort. It aids in maintaining mineral density in the bones. It reduces the risk of heart attack, and it prevents various types of cancer. Cilantro, or coriander, it's a toxic metal cleanser. It's antibacterial and antifungal. It's strong antioxidant activity. It helps improve sleep quality. It possesses anxiety effects, has a blood sugar lowering effect. It's a natural internal deodorant. And be careful not to use this herb in excess because it may cause diarrhea or stomach pain. Cinnamon aids in digestion. It relieves joint pain, relieves menstrual cramps, improves blood circulation, regulates blood sugar levels, reduces cholesterol levels, and relieves sinus congestion. Cloves, it reduces mouth ulcers, it fights tooth pain and bleeding gums, increases blood circulation, it helps with cough and cold symptoms. It's an antiseptic, it fights nausea, helps control high cholesterol levels, it avoids bloating, and it helps with gastric upsets. Clove essential oil relieves toothache, heals wounds, cuts, and injuries, relieves stress, headaches, and pain, stimulates blood circulation, It's a remedy for earaches. You can put a drop in your ear when you've got earaches. It boosts the immune system, and it's also an insect repellent. Dandelion. This is a wonder herb. That's why there's so many of it. This would be in a tea, or if it's very clean, you can use it in your salads. A liver and a kidney cleanser. It's rich in antioxidants. It's anti-inflammatory. It fights anemia. It fights cancer, aids in digestion, and it's also a natural diuretic and a laxative. Echinacea, reducing inflammation. It boosts your immune system, prevents cancer. It helps prevent bacterial and viral infection. It helps respiratory conditions. It protects against infections. It aids in healing psoriasis and eczema, and it also reduces swollen glands. Evening primrose oil, I've also, our flowers still not there, but that's how the leaves look. It helps with hormone imbalance. It helps with menopause symptoms. It reduces inflammation. It heals burns and wounds. It rejuvenates aging skin. It treats acne and also treats dandruff. Garlic, one everybody knows. This is one of the most powerful herbs you can use in your kitchen. It's a natural antibiotic. It boosts the immune system. It kills parasites. It stops toothaches. It lowers your cholesterol. It treats athlete's foods. It prevents blood clots. It treats ear infection. You can use, we're going to show you after the break how to use this. It promotes heart health. It curbs colds and flu. It heals cold sores. You can treat insect bites with it. It lowers your blood pressure. And it's also a mosquito repellent. Ginger. You can use ginger with caution when you have diabetes. It may cause low levels of glucose. It helps treat nausea, lowers cholesterol levels. It protects against stomach ulcers. It protects against Alzheimer's disease. It eases menstrual pains. It regulates blood sugar. It fights fungal infections, and it relieves joint and muscle pain. Lavender. This is a very nice herb. It clears your sinuses. It's antibacterial. It helps with fatigue, eczema, anti-dandruff, insect bites, anxiety, and stress relief. It helps with muscle pains, insomnia treatment, migraine relief, menstrual cramps, minor burns. You can use it as a perfume, bug repellent, circulation, acne treatment, respiratory treatment, and also sunburn. Lavender essential oil. It helps sleep and treat insomnia, headache remedy. It improves blood and brain function. It's antifungal and antiseptic properties. It clears up acne outbreaks, relieves stomach discomfort, antioxidant protection, insect bites, scars, sores, and burns. Lemon balm. This is a herb you should have in every home, and it smells so nice. You can take it out and you can rub it and you can smell. It helps with an upset stomach. It helps with toothache, insect bites, relief headaches, helps with stress and anxiety. It helps with sores and burns, and also aids in digestion. Now, lemon is not a herb, but this is very, very, very good to have in your home. It reduces your body weight. It acts as a blood purifier. It eliminates bad cholesterol. It treats cold, flu, and fever. It reduces digestion problems. It stops internal bleeding. It cures respiratory problems. It protects from toothaches, and it protects the skin from skin-related problems. Then we've got lemongrass. It relieves headaches, kills bacteria, reduces fever, boosts the immune system, detoxify your body, reduces inflammation, relaxes the muscle, fights colds and flu, reduce stress and anxiety, release menstrual cramps, and relieve stomach aches. Peppermint. I've only put peppermint on. Mint, peppermint, spearmint, almost the same properties. It promotes digestion. It helps in weight loss. It helps chest congestion and coughing. Promotes oral health. It helps reduce nausea and headache. It improves your memory. It stops baby colic. Everybody here that's got babies or somebody that knows somebody that's got a baby with colic, you can make them peppermint tea and it almost immediately stops baby colic. It helps for irritable bowel syndrome and it relieves stress and depression. The peppermint essential oil, bacterial infections, nausea, bad breath, fever, colds, muscle pain, menstrual pains, heartburn, indigestion, coughs, anti-repellent, mosquito repellent. You can use it for hair growth, room freshener, and get rid of acne and removes blemishes on your skin. Nutmeg, it's important. Never use this if you're pregnant or breastfeeding or give it to children under 3 years. You can use it for treating cancer, treating kidney disease, increasing menstrual flow. It fights depression. It's a sleep aid, antiseptic, anti-inflammatory. It increases blood pressure. It's a natural painkiller. It treats joint and arthritis pains, and it's also a mood enhancer. Olive leaf protects the digestive system. It protects the central nervous system. It inhibits microorganism growth, reduces the risk of inflammation. It prevents oxidation or cell damage. It's antiviral, antifungal, and also antiparasitic. It boosts the immune system. We've got oregano. Those of you that love to make Italian food will know this herb. It aids in digestion, detoxifies the body. It boosts the immune system. It speeds up metabolism, protects against bacteria in your gut. It reduces the risk of heart attacks and strokes. As you can see, you do not need to use all the medicines. You can use this every day in your kitchen, in your food. The essential oil from oregano, it promotes digestion. It's a powerful painkiller. It eliminates intestinal worms. It protects against viral, fungal, and bacterial infection. It's a soothing effect on inflammation, and it also regulates menstruation. Parsley. It improves your immunity. It's full of antioxidant. It balances body fluid. It's great for digestive health. It's full of iron. It helps wounds heal faster. It helps to control arthritis. Promotes a healthy heart. It keeps your eyes bright and sparkly, and it prevents kidney disease. Plantain, another wonderful herb growing in your backyard. It relieves hemorrhoids. It helps for indigestion and ulcers. It relieves irritable bowel syndrome. You can use this in a tea or in food, in a salad. It soothes kidney and bladder problems. It relieves irritable bowel syndrome. It calms your bowels during diarrhea or constipation. Rosemary. It soothes the digestion system. It relieves muscle pains. It relieves stress, depression. It improves your memory. It's antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, antiviral, a natural diuretic, and it also cleans your kidneys. Rosemary essential oil relieves menstrual cramps. It helps with migraines. It improves memory. It helps with muscle pain. It clears your airways. It helps clear sinus. It improves blood circulation. It stimulates the scalp, eases dandruff, hair growth, and strength. Sage. Sage is a very powerful anti-inflammatory. It improves memory, it soothes sore throats, it's antioxidant, it boosts your immune system, it prevents constipation, it boosts blood health, and it strengthens your bone and teeth. The essential oil aids in digestion, it heals wounds, scars, and incisions, it improves menstrual cycles, it protects against microbial and bacterial infections, it reduces inflammation, and it also relieves skin disease. Tea tree, another one we are all familiar with. It treats infection, it treats athlete's foot, treats acne, treats eye infections, it treats allergic skin reactions, treats dandruff, treats lice, and also bad breath and dental plague. Turmeric. Turmeric is a natural painkiller. It's anti-inflammatory. It's one of the herbs with the most anti-inflammatory properties. We always use that in our food, just as you would put salt over your food. Just try to put turmeric over. It's very tasteful. It's a strong antioxidant, antimicrobial. It heals wounds faster. It boosts your immune system, and it boosts detoxification. Turmeric is not absorbed by itself very good, so there are a few ways to boost to activate actually the turmeric uptake. You can use black pepper. A lot of people would say black pepper is not good for you. It is not good for you, so use it as a medicine. Do not use it over your food. The pepperine compound found in black pepper boosts the intake, the absorption of turmeric by 2,000%. If you do not want to use black pepper, you can use a healthy fat like coconut oil. Turmeric is a fat soluble and thus much better absorbed when taken with fat. You can heat it up. This increases the solubility of curcumin by 12 times. Then the last one we've got is thyme. It's antifungal properties. It's rich in antioxidant. It relieves stress and depression. It improves blood circulation. It boosts the immune system. It improves vision. And it aids in respiratory ailments. We will take a short break. There is some healthy foods for you and some tea you can have. And then after that, we'll do the DIY, where we can show you how to do all the natural remedies by yourself.